Hi, my name's Alexia. You might think that your furniture's run its course, but it's always a great idea to upcycle it before throwing it out. This is everything you need to know to paint a wicker chair like this one. First up, using a microfibre cloth, we're going to wipe away any dust or cobwebs. It's always a good idea to do this at the start because we don't want any dust in the paint. Ours is in a newer condition, but if yours is older and a bit more weathered, you might need to get a coarser brush to get into the grooves. I've just given this a light sand because ours is newer. If yours is older or more damaged, it's going to need a more thorough sand. And now I'm just going to wipe off some of the dust from the sanding. And now it's time for paint. We're going to start with an undercoat so that the paint can adhere to the chair, and it's good to use spray paint to get into all the nooks and crannies. It's time for some colour. We have an enamel spray paint in the colour Sky Bus, which is a really pretty light blue, perfect for summer. Oh yeah, that's a nice blue. The theme I've chosen for my space is white and blue, which is why I've gone for a white table and a blue candle. I'll complement it with a matching cushion. All that's left to do is style your space. Think about the colours and how you can complement the chair. And there you have it, a revived wicker chair. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.